back to Declan's Playbook. Today we're opening Sprunki blind bags. If you don't know what Sprunki is, there's these little icons where you drag them up to these gray guys and then they make music. These are Sprunkis.
What you got, Duck?
These are Sprunkies. No. Okay. Aha. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is. I got Clucker. Oh, where's it? Oh, there is his face. His sound is this. And he has like a little symbol on his head.
Okay.
Okay, let's go with the next bag. Okay.
How many blind bags do you have all together?
I don't know.
Can we count them?
Okay. Oh, this is a curse one.
Oh.
Okay, this is lime. Quack. Quack. He makes his noise. It's like kind of like that. Okay.
Can you count how many blind bags you got?
Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So okay, 8 more.
9, 10. So you had 10 total, right?
Oh yeah. I have 10 total blind bags. Hopefully I get Mr. Fun Computer because he's my favorite Sprunky in the whole world. Ooh, I got Mr. Tree. His sound is this. Kind of like that. Let's see what I get next.
Declan, who's this guy?
The guy in the bag?
The guy opening up your envelope.
Oh, that's my dad.
Go like that. Pinch and pull.
Oh, this is my dad.
Hi.
Oh, I think this guy's name, oh yeah, his name is Brud.
And what's his deal?
What?
What's his sound?
His sound is like, it's like, wait, no, it's kind of like a bucket sound, like the bucket shaking. Since he has a bucket on his head.
Okay.
Okay, next one is, oh, we got my second favorite character, Simon.
And what sound does he make?
He goes like this. Wait, no. Okay, next one.
I guess that pizza was perfect.
Mr. Sun. His sound is like this. Da 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 da. He doesn't stand. He lays down. He's kind of like he can do this. Okay, let's go with the next one. Hopefully it's something new. We got Wanda. She says, "Hey, hey, hey." Yeah, like that. Next one. Oh. We got Tunner. Oh, he whistled. I think this is a curse one. Yeah. Oh my god, this one's ugly. It's Curse Simon. I kind of forgot his noise, but okay. The next one is the
Right here.
yeah. This is the very last one. Hopefully, it's not a double. Oh my god.
What?
It's the scary version of Wanda. Goes,
Okay, let's go down the line and name them all.
So
Starting
this
with-
is Mr. Tree. This Mr. Teresa. Bread fell. This is bread. Bread, stand up. Okay. And, oh my God, just lay down. Okay. And this is lime. I mean clock. And this is Mom, do you remember this guy's name?
No.
His name's I kind of don't remember.
His sound is like tss, 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 right? Symbol?
Let's just call him Symbol for now.
Okay.
And this is Simon. This is Mr. Sun. Whee! This is the scary version of Linda. This is Tanner. This is the scary version of Simon, and this is Linda. Okay. Thanks everybody for watching me unbox my Sprunki characters. See you next time on Declan's Playbook. Bye for now.